Welcome back, gardeners. After harvesting your peppers, it's important to store them properly to maintain freshness. In today's video, we'll explore the best storage methods for both sweet and hot peppers, including refrigeration and drying techniques. To keep fresh peppers crisp, store them in the refrigerator. Place them in a breathable bag, such as a paper or perforated plastic bag, and store them in the crisper drawer. This helps peppers stay fresh for up to 2 weeks without losing their texture or flavor. For longer-term storage, you can freeze peppers. Simply wash, slice, and remove the seeds before placing them in an airtight freezer-safe bag. Frozen peppers are great for cooking and can be stored for up to 6 months. Drying is a popular method for preserving hot peppers, like cayenne or habaneros. You can air dry them by stringing them up in a warm, dry place, or use a dehydrator for faster results. Once dried, they can be stored whole or ground into powder, adding spice to your dishes year-round. With the right storage methods, you can enjoy the flavors of your garden-fresh peppers long after harvest. Stay tuned for more gardening tips, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more advice. Happy storing!